Good evening everyone, I am Dheeraj Pujari from Alwas Institute of Engineering and Technology. So the topic I have taken is system to control a self-balancing robot. So let's go to the contents. First is processor, sensor and components used, conceptual approach and finally the robot C code. So processor uses Arduino Dumileno and Atmega 328P microcontroller. So this is an inbuilt processor which is from Technopedia Systems. Acceleration sensor is used. Other components which are used is L29 3D motor control, 2 DC motors, plastic chassis and 2 10 cm diameter wheels. So let's come to the main part, that is conceptual approach. So the sensor which is used is acceleration sensor. Acceleration sensor has three main outcomes, that are X out, Y out, Z out, representing the tilt of the corresponding axis. So here we are considering a two-wheeled robot. So if we consider this case, so during non-equilibrium condition, the robot may either lean forward or may lean backward. So only one axis tilt is enough to fulfill the given task. So we have to place the accelerometer in a fashion like this, such that y-axis is perpendicular. So we have to place accelerometer either top center or bottom center of the robot. So for that one, we should calculate first the tilt angle alpha. So let's come to the axis, spatial domain. So for any tilt for y-axis, it may be either forward tilt or backward tilt. So for forward tilt, I have taken positive tilt. So it ranges from 1 degree to 90 degree. So corresponding count for y out will be 1 to 63. Acceleration sensor output is a 7-bit, and the SB bit is for read and write operations. Remaining is 6 bits, that is 2 power 6, 64. So we have count from 0 to 63. For backward tilt, we have minus 1 degree to minus 90 degree, that is the count will be from minus 1 to minus 63. So that is corresponding to complement is 63 to 1. So let's calculate the tilt angle alpha. So here we can see that for 90 degree tilt, I have count as 63. So for alpha degree tilt, I have count y out. This y out will be from the accelerometer sensor, accelerometer. So I have to calculate alpha, that is tilt angle, using unitary method. So alpha is equal to 90 degree into y out divided by 63. So once we calculated tilt angle, we have to give the delay for how much rotation the motor should be moving, so that it comes to the comes from non-equilibrium to equilibrium state. So to calculate this delay, after finding tilt angle, we will calculate this delay by the formula shown here. So since I have used a 1000 rpm motor for 1 cm shaft dia and the wheel diameter is 10 cm, then effective rpm I will get is 100 rpm. So I can tell it as for 100 rotations I need 60 seconds. So for 1 by alpha rotation, I need how much delay I require. So this T is calculated again by unitary method. So T will be equal to 60 divided by 100 into alpha seconds. So we have to give this delay to the motor, and the motor should rotate in a direction opposite to that of the tilt alpha. So this is the conceptual approach which I have used here. So let's come to the robot C code now. For robot C code, I have used the platform robot C. So to start up with, we have to first create a library file which defines the function for accelerometer to take data from accelerometer. After taking data, so we create a file which takes data from accelerometer. The other thing we have to give is calculation of tilt angle and delay. Once we are done with this, we should put in our main, we should create a main program. First we should keep the accelerometer in active mode, then write a code and correspondingly we will calculate alpha and tilt angle, alpha and delay, and the required task will be fulfilled accordingly. So I will mail this code to you along with this PPT also.